Hi, my name is Karen Rhodes and I'm a regional recruiter with D.D.S. Dental. When we are working with a practice that is looking to add an associate, most practice owners express that they would prefer an experienced dentist to fill their position. And in most cases, this is the best option. In fact, 90% of the doctors that we place have over a year of experience or have completed a residency program. But what are the trade-offs to experience? When should a practice consider hiring a doctor who is 1 to 2 years out of school versus someone who has 5 to 7 years of experience? To make a decision, you have to decide on which level of experience would make the best fit for your practice. Let's take a look at some of the unique advantages that both sides have to offer. The potential advantages of hiring an experienced dentist. 1, production. Dental school is only the beginning. It takes several years, lots of CE, and thousands of chairside hours in order for a dentist to hone their skills. An experienced dentist should be able to handle a full schedule. 2, known quantity. An experienced dentist brings credentials, work history, as well as a track record of successes to allow a new employer to project reasonably accurate results. And 3, less babysitting. With experience comes independence and the ability to handle a variety of situations autonomously. Now, let's take a look at the potential advantages of hiring a dentist with less experience. 1, malleable. An experienced doctor will come to your practice with his or her own idea of how to run the practice, as well as a well-defined clinical philosophy. A less experienced doctor will be open-minded and receptive to guidance. 2, less upfront needs. This is true with both patient load and guaranteed income. While typically recent graduates have to have a huge student debt to consider, their expenses overall in life are lower. They do not come to the practice with a burden of trying to reach previous income levels, and they typically can handle a growing practice better than a dentist who has to maintain a certain standard of life. And 3, superstars are still available. Most dental practices want to hire someone who is motivated, great with patients, can keep procedures in-house, and will be a boon for their practice for many years to come. Those candidates are still available, but they are not available for very long. Those candidates enter partnerships or become practice owners within a few years of being out of school. So, if you find a candidate like that, make sure that you have an advancement plan in place so that they can be in step with your growing practice.